speed is a distance traveled in unit time in any direction, whereas the velocity is a distance traveled in a unit time in a given direction. Now, can you find the difference between both? Yes, the difference is in the direction. For speed, direction doesn't matter, and for velocity, direction do matter, which makes speed as scalar quantity and velocity as vector quantity. Let us consider this example where this two train is traveling with the speed of 20 meter per second. So the velocity will be 20 meter per second west as they are traveling with the same speed and the direction of the train is also same. So we can say that the speed and velocity of this train is same in this scenario. Now let us change the scenario. Now one train is traveling to the east whereas the other is traveling to the west. Now, both the train is traveling again with the same speed, but here the velocity will be different because the direction of the trains are different. Okay, so what is velocity then? Velocity is change in displacement per unit time. What is displacement? Displacement is a distance covered from point A to point B by the body, regardless of the path. Path doesn't matter in displacement. Velocity is change in displacement with respect to time. Now consider this train has covered the distance of 900 meter in 60 seconds. The velocity will be 900 divided by 60, that is 15 meter per second west. Now consider this car. This car is traveling in a straight line, in a straight path, covering the same distance of 10 meter in every 10 seconds. That means for every 10 seconds, the car has traveled the same distance of 10 meter and the car is traveling in a straight line, straight path. That means that direction is not changing. So you can say that the car is traveling with the uniform velocity. Now, if the same car is traveling in a circular track covering the same distance of 10 meter in 10 seconds, but then too, we say that this car is traveling with non-uniform velocity. Why? Because it's traveling through a circular track. So at every point, the car has to change its direction. Because the direction is not same, we say that the car is traveling with non-uniform velocity. And the example above, because the car is traveling in a straight path, direction is same, we say that it's traveling with the uniform velocity.